In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community using GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a branded space your members can join, engage in, and easily recognize as yours. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and heading to your dashboard. If you manage multiple locations or sub-accounts, make sure you're in the correct one where you want the community to live. On the left side of the screen, find and click Memberships. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all things related to courses, portals, and of course, communities. Inside Memberships, click Communities. This opens the area where you'll manage groups, see existing ones, and create new spaces. Now, click Create a Community. You'll land on a setup screen where you'll enter the core details for your new group. Start with the group name. Type a clear, memorable name that tells people exactly what they're joining. If you see multiple name fields or a display label and internal name, make sure they match the way you want the group to appear publicly. Next, set your group URL. This creates a simple link, usually a short slug at the end of your site's address. Keep it lowercase, avoid spaces, and use hyphens if needed. Short, brand-aligned, and easy to say out loud is best. Add a group description. Think of this as your elevator pitch, who the community is for, the value members can expect, and any essential participation guidelines. Keep it concise but compelling so visitors quickly understand why they should join. Move into the discovery section. These options control how people find your community. Choose whether you want it searchable or more private, and set any categorization or tags provided by your setup. If growth is a priority, make it easy to discover. If exclusivity matters, keep it limited. Now, head to branding. Consistent visuals make a big difference in trust and engagement. Start with the favicon. Click Upload. Choose your small square icon file and open it. A simple high-contrast PNG works well here. For the cover image, click Upload and select a wide banner that represents your brand or community theme. Aim for a clear, high-resolution image and keep important elements centered so nothing gets cropped on different screens. Then, upload your logo. A square, transparent PNG usually looks best across light and dark backgrounds. Give everything a quick review: name, URL, description, discovery choices, and visuals. Then click Create Group. GoHighLevel will save your settings and spin up your community space. That's it. You now have a branded, ready-to-use community where you can begin welcoming members and starting conversations.